Hi friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 100 Days of Pockets. In collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created a scrap strip pocket. And this is for 100 Days of Pockets, and today is day 73. Today you'll need some scraps, glue or tape, cardstock backing, scissors, ink or stitching, and some embellishments. The next thing you're going to do is turn your scraps into strips of paper. This is a scrap strip pocket. So I'm going to start by using my paper cutter, and even though this has a torn edge, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it into strips because it might be kind of cool to have a little torn edge there. Since that work is already done for me, I might as well embrace it. Alright, so I've got some strips done with that. And let's see, I'm going to get some strips done with this too. And I think I'll go short, not long. And then I think this might be cool to use. And then I have some solid red. I'd prefer not to use it unless I have to, but let's go ahead and make a few strips. It won't hurt to have them on hand. It's kind of a light red, that's okay. I'll do 3. I can always cut more if I need to, okay? So hopefully I have enough. Okay, my friends, I am going to use this as my backing sheet, and then I'm going to use this as my pocket right here, okay? And then I'll create a tag for it. So I'd like to go ahead and add some of these scraps to the pocket, and I'm going to start with this really deep red with gold sparkles. This was what was that? That was a jelly print that I created, and it looks so pretty with the sparkles in it. I'll definitely be making more of that because man, are they pretty. And it's not hard to do. I haven't gel printed in a while, and I have a feeling it's going to be a little while before I have time to do it again because we are preparing to move next year. So we got a lot of decluttering and things like that going on. All right, we are going to go ahead and add this little strip right here. And I wonder if I could add this here. That might look cool. Yeah, I like that, although that's upside down actually. So let me see, let me grab this one. This one can go like that. I like that. I'm gonna see if I can add this little sliver of this right here. And I think so. I think that's cute. Actually, you know what? It would be nice to kind of have like one right here, just to break things up a little bit. So let's do that. And now I'm going to put this little sliver right here to cover the end. There was a little blank spot there, so we've put something there to cover that now. And now I just need to break this up over here a little bit. I have this little piece, and I think that'll do a great job. I'll bring it down here. Alright, now there is some overhang, so I'm going to clean that up real quick. It is time to ink around the edges. It's time to add our pocket. Alright, my friends, I created a coordinating tag, and I used one of my paper dolls, and she is just beautiful. I used a piece of red cardstock, and then I added my gel print with the gold fleck in it so that it would coordinate nicely with our pocket here. I did a little stenciling just on the plain cardstock part of it, and that's that. It was super easy. So I'm going to pop her in here, and let's have a look and see how it looks. Yep. I'm pretty happy with that, I must say. I think that looks super pretty. I wanted to let you know I am doing a paper doll collaboration this month of October with my friend Jen at Sassy Southern NC Girl. And if you'd like to be part of that, you can. It's open. Anybody can participate. Freebies are in my Facebook group, Creating with Jovi Journals and Crafts. And then there's a kit in my Etsy shop, and it's simply called Paper Dolls. Friends, please be sure to check out Cindy A. Lewis's channel today. I'd love to see what she is making, and I hope you want to know too. And thanks for watching. See you soon.